Alright, what's up you guys, and thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends. Alright, so today I'm doing a breakdown on how to evaluate a rental property. Now, the numbers may differ depending on what area you're in. I'm not sure, but where I invest in, these how the numbers look. So just bear with me on that part real quick. So what I did was I just took an example of a property that was and the total investment was $31,000. Now we did the income, which was the rental property is $700, and we did that times 12 because we have 12 months in a year, which gives you $8,400, $8,400. And here we have your expenses. All right, you have your taxes, which is $250 a year, because where I invest in, the taxes are cheap. You have your insurance, which comes up to about $68 a year. $68 a month, which gives you about roughly $816 a year. Now in repairs, we put about $1,500. But most of the time you go into the house, we try to put everything in there new, so we won't have any of those issues. So I just gave an example of $1,500. Property management, now you can do this yourself or to save money, or you can get a property management to come in and manage the property, which will give you like 10%. Normally property managers, they charge 10% of the rent, which gives you like $840 a year. And all of that calculated up to your expenses was $2,566. Now this right here is your cash flow. In your cash flow, you have your income, which is $8,400, and you have your expenses. And all I did was subtracted the expenses from the income, which gives you $5,834. All right, so follow me. All right, again, in the beginning, I mentioned your total investment, which is your cash on cash return, your ROI, the return on investment. So the purchase price, this is PP, just shorten it. So PP means purchase price, which is the purchase price of this home was $15,000. Again, like I said before, I know some of you probably are looking at the prices of these homes in the areas, but it does exist in the area that we purchase in. So the purchase price is $15,000. Now, rehab costs, give or take, you may have to go in there and spend $15K, but I just wanted to be, realistic and put $15K in the rehab budget. And CC, which is your closing costs. This is the closing costs that it probably would cost to close on a property, this price range. Sometimes it's cheaper, but I just put 1K to be more realistic, because I don't want people to think that I'm doing crazy numbers with this. And so your cash on cash return pretty much is the $31,000 invested. Now, what you do is you divide your cash flow into your total investment. Now, when I did that and I divided that number, that gave me 0.188. And so what you do is you just round this number, which will give you 19%. So this is your ROI on your total investment, and that is a great investment. So this is a great return on your investment. So if you're looking to purchase real estate, I suggest that you kind of follow this guideline when it comes down to your next investment property. All right, so thank you guys for tuning in. I hope this helps you with your next investment property. Peace.